Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Caddx Firefly micro FPV camera. This camera is available in 4 versions, so first of all you can choose between 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios, and you can also choose between PAL and NTSC video systems. The Caddx Firefly is based on 2 components, so first of all on one end we can find a micro FPV camera. It features a 1200 TV line sensor and a 2.1mm lens. This camera is pretty much identical to the Caddx Turbo EOS camera which I've previously reviewed. They share the same specifications and it's not surprising that they feature the same board on their back. As far as I know, the only difference between these cameras is the type of lens that they're using. The second component is this VTX. Its output strength is 25mV, it supports 48 channels and features smart audio. In addition, the antenna is soldered to the board and the working voltage is between 3.3 to 9 volts. The weight of the Firefly, including the battery connector, is only 4.23 grams, so this is an extremely light combo. Just as a comparison, the weight of the Turbo EOS camera, including the GTX Nano VTX from AGC, is 5.32 grams, so the Firefly is about 1 gram lighter. The back dimensions of the camera are 14 by 40 millimeters, and the length between the back of the camera to the front of the lens is about 13.5 millimeters. The dimensions of the VTX are also very similar to the dimensions of the back of the camera, so it's going to be pretty easy to mount the VTX on its back. Just make sure to put an adhesive on the back of the camera, first of all, to keep things in place, and second of all, to prevent short circuits. On the right side of the VTX, you can find the RX pad, which is used for the smart audio feature. Then we've got video in and video out pads that will allow you to overlay the OSD on your video feed. So what you need to do is to connect the video in to the video in of your flight controller, and in the same manner connect the video out to the video out of your flight controller. Another option, of course, is to cut the yellow video wire in the middle and connect the end from the camera to the video in and connect the end from the VTX to the video out. Over here we can find the VCC and ground connectors, and even though that on the specification it's written that the working voltage is between 3.3 to 9 volts, according to the user manual, the recommended working voltage is between 2.9 to 5.5 volts, so it's going to be perfect for a 1S battery. Finally, over here we can find this configuration button that is going to enable you to configure the VTX if you're not using the smart audio feature, and over here these LEDs that are going to indicate the channel and band. In terms of pricing, the Caddx Firefly goes for $25, and currently it is being promoted on Banggood's app for only $20, which is a pretty good deal considering that just the Turbo EOS camera on its own costs $15. The next thing I'm going to do is to replace the all-in-one camera of the Makerfire Armor 80 Pro with the Caddx Firefly, and since the flight controller of the Armor 80 Pro features Betaflight OSD, I'm going to use the video in and video out pads of the Caddx Firefly VTX. Then after replacing the camera, I'm going to fly it both indoors and outdoors. So I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about the Caddx Firefly, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.